bullseye. Ow. Alright, so we're testing out the SIG Elite Performance Ammunition in 308 right now. Overall, excellent. I piled 4 right into the same hole. Did have one soft strike in the bunch, but other than that, I mean, the target says it all. It's working for you. These are looking a little thingy.
So 100-yard target, that's Erica's up top, 4 shots, and Graham down below with 5 shots. Once again, not quite as good, but a wee bit quicker. You have anything to say about that? What do you have to say about your group, Erica?
Well, I'll take accuracy over quickness any day, because if I hit him with the first shot, I don't have to worry about the second shot.
And there you have it. Thanks for watching GB Guns. And if you watched this far, you appreciate our format and what we're doing, or maybe you're waiting to make that really angry comment. Either way, click the big griffin up here to subscribe. The link over here to show you a related video based on what you just watched. Or down here is the playlist relevant to this video. Once again, we appreciate your feedback, your comments. Join us on Facebook, Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.